Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch a Q&A session when you're presenting your presentation in Google Slides. So if you want to do that, you have to make sure that when you are launching the presentation, you want to select this option and enable presenter view. Otherwise, you won't be able to access this feature. And after that, you will see there is an extra window of control that allows you to navigate around the slide, and there are a lot of other things that you can do with this. But the tool that we are gonna be focusing is the audience tool. And here we can start a Q&A session during the presentation. Just click start and it will create a temporary link where your audience can access and they can start sending you a question. So let me put it aside. And for example, I'm going to click this link. It will open a page where your audience can start asking a question. And by the way, they will be assigned by their name, but they can also ask without name anonymously, and they can click submit. And when you do that, you'll see that the question will be sent to your presenter view, and you should be able to answer it later. And this is a very useful tool, especially if you want to collect questions during the presentation, and then at the end during the Q&A session, you should be able to collect all the you should be able to see all the questions and just answer the question directly. So this is a very useful tool that I think anybody that's using Google Slides should start using. I think this is a great way to start interacting with your audience. And yeah, that's basically how you can launch a Q&A session in Google Slides.